Hi guys, welcome to the showroom. Come inside. My favourite type of window is a tilt and turn window. Our smart slide doors, very easy to operate. Over this side are our casement windows, sliding windows. One of my favourite things is our front doors. What we've developed here is our glass called thermoacoustic glass. It gives it a beautiful natural tint to the glass. It stops 80% of heat, especially in the hot summer months, and in the winter months it still allows the glass to warm up. These are actual aluminium windows and single glaze. There is nothing to protect that pane of glass from that heat or from cold or from noise. Whereas in Europe we use double glazing for a reason, is the exterior pane of glass protects the interior pane of glass.